Hi, my name is Eric. I'm part of our central production team, and in this video we are going to be looking at how to configure the display settings for our Matrox triple head devices. If you are a location that uses multiple video outputs from ProPresenter or from your computer, you will likely have a device called a Matrox triple head, and that allows the computer to see multiple displays. And so if we go to System Preferences and click on Displays and Arrangement, you can see that we have a couple different setups here. We have our confidence projector, we have our local monitor, which has the white bar, and then we have our extended display. And so the Matrox tells the computer that there is a display that is multiple monitors or multiple screens stitched together, and then ProPresenter knows to unstitch that information and send the correct thing to the correct screen. So sometimes the Matrox settings can get corrupted, or sometimes the video is not outputting properly, even though it looks like in ProPresenter things are leaving properly. There are some times where ProPresenter has the correct settings, but for some reason the Matrox does not. So to edit those, or to confirm that they are indeed correct, we can click this M icon up on the toolbar and click EDID Management. And if you are a double wide campus, you should see the following. You should see two 1920 by 1080 active resolution displays. And so if you do not see this, chances are you need to reconstruct things. And so the way to do that would be to remove the active resolution and refresh rates that are present here on the right, and go ahead and add the correct ones. So we have two displays, so we want to make sure 2 is selected. Their aspect ratio should be wide, and they should be oriented in landscape. So as long as these are correct, we can go down to 1920 by 1080, and we will click on that and then use this arrow to move that display over. Now when we click Apply Changes, this information will then be sent to the Matrox device and will tell the computer to be in this configuration of having two 1920 by 1080 displays. That results in a 3840 by 1080 resolution. If we click Apply Changes, that will then go into process. If this is current when you select the Matrox management settings, if this is present but you still do not have video output, go ahead and simply click Apply Changes. You don't have to go through removing and adding displays. Just click Apply Changes, and that is usually enough to take care of resetting the Matrox to the correct settings. You also want to make sure that Configure based upon attached displays is not checked. We do not want this to be checked, because what will happen is when you turn off projectors and computers for the day, all of this information will go away. So in order to keep it when the computer or the projectors or the video switcher or whatever associated video equipment is turned off, in order to keep these settings present when those are turned off, we want to make sure that Configure based upon attached displays is not checked. So as long as these pieces of information are correct, and you indeed see a 3840 by 1080 output window within arrangement, your computer is set up properly. Thanks for checking out this video. Hope it helps with any issues you might have.